Today I'm going to be unboxing this family table and chairs set. Well, the cover shows us the chocolate rabbit family sitting at the table. At the top of the box there are some more pictures of our table. In particular, there are pictures of the baby chair. Here is one more. This side shows us all of the contents for set. So here is finally our table. I really love these flowers in the middle. They look really pretty, and in the transparent packet we have the chairs. So now let's pull them out. So these are our 4 chairs and one more for a little baby. You can attach it here or even here. And now let's set figurines. I just added our cottontail rabbits. I also have the same crawling baby. They are clones from blind bags, but there's no place for him. Please guys, share the video with your friends if it's not difficult. Love you all. Bye.